So the other day I was reading this article in a magazine called Scientific American, and it talked about how learning new things, challenging things, create a better, smarter version of you. And one of the challenges that I've been wanting to do for a while now is to actually build a computer. Why? Well, even though I do work in the technology sector, because I work in a supporting function, I've never been exposed to how product gets designed, how it gets created. So I thought this would be a wonderful opportunity for me to actually grasp the concepts more on a concrete basis. And it would also be kind of cool to have a powerful computer for gaming and other things. With that said, hope you enjoy the video. So let's go and build a computer. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna need to build a computer, it's a CPU, or a central processing unit. Why is this so important? This is basically the brain of the computer. The rule that you need to remember is the more cores it has, the better it will perform. The second most important thing you'll need is a graphics card, or GPU, graphic processing unit. And what this does is render images, video. So this is why it's very important. The third thing that's very important is your storage. And the reason why I'm holding two is that there are two types of storage. You can have a hard drive, which is this one right here, and then you have an SSD, or solid state drive. So this one here is a lot faster than this one. What you want is to have this one on your operating system, so it's snappy and fast, and then this is where you put all your photos and videos. Next up, you'll need a RAM, or random access memory, the short-term memory of the computer. Typically, what you want is to have 8 gigs or 16 gigabytes of RAM, but this is super important for it to, be snappy as well. The other thing you'll need is a motherboard, where all those components that I just walked you through, you'll put them here, and this will go into the next item. So this one is super important that you pick the right one. Then you'll need a power supply, the component that allows you to plug in your computer. And then lastly, you got a case. This is the card case where everything will be placed in. And then obviously, don't forget about your peripherals. You will need a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, and maybe some decent headphones so you can enjoy playing or editing. So that's pretty much it about the components. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty and actually put it together, and let's see if it works. We're getting there. So let's see if this baby fires up. Moment of magic. And 1, 2, 3. All right, I see some fans going up, some lights, monitors turning on. So yeah, seems like it's working. And then over here in the monitor, we have the status. So it's looking great. We probably need to install Windows now. All right, so as you can see, we finally completed the build. Right there you have Windows, and basically everything is running perfectly now. So it's time for some games. Look, I guess that the outcome of this is try something new, try something challenging. I had a lot of fun, spending time in manuals and whatnot, trying to learn something new, and I think it's going to be useful for me to learn more and get more interested in this field of technology and computing. So hopefully you can do the same, and this inspires you to do something like that. So until next time, cheers.